Alright guys, I have this lock open and I'm going to lock it up again. It's always hard. This is Small by Dunn Brass, and I believe this is one of his older locks. But the key is pretty nasty even if it is older. Very, very, very smooth. It's on an Elco. I'm going to use a Z intention wrench and a brand new, I just opened it a second ago, Peterson hook number 1. I also ordered a hook in 15 thousandths, and not sure if you can see that, but the shank is so much thinner. Kuwaiti Keith, he recently did a video where he showed that the older 15,000 hook ones actually had more meat to them, and they're more like the hook in 25 or 22 thousandths, whichever one it is. I actually had a hook in 15 thousandths already. I just assumed that, you know, it was something went wrong because it was so thin, but it's actually exactly the same. So apparently that's how they are, which is interesting. And that makes me wonder, the hook number 1 in 18 thousandths, is that one the same? Is that one thin like the 15 or thick like this one? I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know down in the comments. We're going to try clockwise. I have opened this lock once, only once. I was working on it at lunch, and it put up quite a fight, but I did manage to open it in the end. Okay. I'm in a pretty good false set, and that's kind of the way that it is. I basically just chase false set to false set, and hope that it opens up. Although I have opened it once, I don't like remember, oh, you know, on number 5, that was one that was holding me up, or I had to keep going back to step pin 3. I don't remember that. So I do know that I can open this lock, but I don't really know what method works well. Knowing Dunn Brass, though, it's gonna have some pretty wicked security pins inside. Okay, I'm not feeling anything. I'm gonna let off one click and try again. The problem is with those overset traps in 1 and 3, I always feel like I can set number 1, but I feel like I'm oversetting it. Let's try it though. Let's try 1. No. Maybe not. You know, although this one is brand new, I think I like the one I have been using more. I mean, it's got that pretty pronounced droop, but there we go. That felt pretty good. Okay, I just set 2. There we go. We got it open. Huh. Curious. I just switch hooks and then it opens. This one I have sanded, this one I haven't, so the edges are a little bit square. Alright, let's see what Dunn Brass put inside Small. We have a key so I can lock it up. I haven't done many videos recently, but I'm hoping that'll change. On my lunch break, when I opened up this lock, I actually opened up 2 other locks. So hopefully you'll be seeing those ones soon as well. That plus I still want to do a video explaining how to take apart locks like that. And I have a review coming up that I'm gonna be doing. So I should have enough material for the next while. There we go. Okay. Get our follower. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see what we have in here. 5-pin lock. You can already see some modifications. Number 1, heavily serrated. Number 2, torpedo with a single serration. Number 3, serrated T pin, I guess I'd call that. Number 4, 2 deep serrations. Number 5, serrated torpedo. Looks like there's threading in every chamber. Very nice. Let's see what we have up here. We'll start with number 1. I need to remove my shim, huh? Number 1 is a spool with a reduced diameter and a copper spring. Number 2, T-pin. Come on, spring. Looks like the same sort of copper spring. Number 3 is a serrated spool. Same spring, okay. Number 5. I'm thinking the springs are all the same. Oh, we'll give that spring a second. Finally, number 4. That spring is actually not the same. The spring in 4 is much shorter. Let's check the spring in 5. Okay. Alright, I'm not seeing any modifications up there. Let's have a close-up of these. Not surprised at all. Dunn did a fantastic job with these. Number 1, the keep, and look at all those serrations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 or 7. That is beautiful, beautiful work. Number 2 is a torpedo with a single serration. Number 3 is just beautiful. Whoa. Whatever you want to call that. I'll try to. Whatever you want to call that, that is beautiful. I really, really like that one. Wow, I am just dropping things all over the place. Landed right there. Okay. Right? Oh, look at that. Did I make something up? Because this is a driver. That's curious. Okay. I'll have to go back and watch my video, but I want to say this was the key pin in 4, but that's a driver. That's interesting. I wonder if these are supposed to be switched. I don't know. When I reassemble it, I'll make sure that's in the right place. I'll rewatch this video. Number 5. And then for drivers, that's the one with a little bit reduced diameter right there. P-pin for driver 2. Serrated spool in 3. Spool in 4. And then this one's beautiful. I've seen these in some Apis cylinders. I don't know what the name of them for, but I don't know what the name of them is. Words. And then the springs, 1, 2, 3, 5 were the same. 4 was small, which makes me wonder, is that why this was called small? Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you for watching.